अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक बहुत इजी कोकोनट बेस्ड पोटैटो ग्रेवी। बहुत ही आसान है बनाना, रोटी, फुलके और चावल के साथ बहुत अच्छे से जाता है। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। इसका फर्स्ट स्टेप है अनियंस को भूनना। So take 2 onions. You can either roast them directly on open flame, or if you have a stand like this, you can use this as well. Keep the flame on very low and roast onions till the skin turns black. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. Remove them to a plate and let it cool. Peel the onions and keep it ready for grinding. Let us prepare the masala for grinding. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is slightly warm, add 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, khaskhas, 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 3 to 4 cloves, 3 dry red chilies, and saute on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 4 to 5 peppercorns and 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. Saute this as well, and now add half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Saute the complete mixture till you get a nice aroma. Also add 5 to 6 garlic pods and add the peeled and chopped roasted onions. Mix well, switch off the flame, let it cool. Add to a mixie jar, add half a teaspoon of salt and grind to a very fine paste. This coconut based gravy is not a very spicy one, but if you wish to have spiciness in your gravy, increase the dry red chilies by another 2. You can add 2 more red chilies while sauteing. So this gives you the necessary spiciness, but this was enough for us. Now let's prepare the gravy. Take a kadai or a deep bottomed pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 potatoes. I have steamed the potatoes, peeled it and cut it into cubes. Okay, so add the steamed and cubed potatoes, saute till light brown. Also add a handful of peas. Saute this till the potatoes turn little light brown. Then add the ground paste. Saute till the oil leaves the sides. Also add 1 tomato finely chopped and continue sauteing. If you remember, we have added only half a teaspoon of salt while grinding. So add another half a teaspoon of salt to the gravy mix and saute for around 5 minutes. Now rinse out the mixie jar with a cup of water and add that to the mixture. Cover and cook on low heat for around 5 minutes. Garnish with a few curry leaves or coriander leaves, and that's it. Coconut based potato gravy is now ready. Do try it out. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.